Cage fly, and they racing all in front is taken by Afternoon Delight. Rushing up on the outside is Jerpan Seas. Around the outside now, Music King, Lord Bonnie, Golden Sutter. Passing before the judge stand is Afternoon Delight, leading by Lanka, followed by Music King from the outside. 2 lengths for the back. In third is Jerpan Seas. Another straight they travel is still Afternoon Delight, leading by length, Music King in second. Running by with his Jerpan Seas, 3 lengths for the back now. Is entry number 5, Running Rebel. And into the back they travel, it is still Afternoon Delight, followed by Jerpan Seas. Around the outside, Music King, here comes Lord Bonnie, Super America. Running Rebel is next on line in between horses, Golden Sutter. Then followed by I Did It My Way. And at the far turn, it's still Afternoon Delight, leading by some 3 lengths. It's Afternoon Delight, followed by Jerpan Seas, Lord Bonnie on the outside. Music King, Golden Sutter, Running Battle is Running Rebel. Towards the home turn is still Afternoon Delight, now in full flight. Followed now by Lord Bonnie in second. Around the outside now is passing through. But still Afternoon Delight by only 3 lengths, and here comes Lord Bonnie passing through around the outside, but it's too late. Number 2 hits the line first, that's Afternoon Delight, followed by passing through Lord Bonnie.